Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be learning this amazing crossbody bag, okay, or messenger bag. If this is what you are searching for, please watch this video to the end. It's super easy. Okay, this is the fabric we'll be using, which is VL. Is a leather material which is measuring 8 inches by 10 inches. Okay, so after you might have gotten this, you just curve the edges with 1 inch by 1 inch, 1 inch by 1 inch. Please, you curve the four side. So after curving the four side, the result will be as shown. So after getting this result, you now carry this very one, which I cut 5.5 inches by 10.5 inches. It's for my front pocket. Okay, so after that I will just tape it with my bias tape. So after taping it with my bias tape, I will find the midpoint and notch it. After notching the midpoint, I also carry the panel and notch the midpoint also. Then I'll place it as shown and I'll flip it over and stitch it. Okay, so after stitching it, I'll also attach my logo. Then here is the result. Then I'll trim it out. Okay, after trimming it out, this is the result. So this one is the back panel, which is measuring 8.5 inches by 10 inches. So after getting it, I'll flip it and cut out my back pocket, which I measured 5.5 inches. After measuring the 5.5 inches, I will connect it and I will cut it out. It's very easy and beginner friendly. Please just follow the tutorial. Okay, so after getting this part, I'll cut a zipper 9 inches. Then I'll look for a strap to turn. I'll insert the puller. Then I'll turn it with this strap. After turning it, I will notch it, notch also the panel. Then I'll place it as shown, good side facing good side. Then I'll stitch it straight. After stitching it straight, I will turn it over and top stitch it, applying my oil. Okay, so after that I will do same to these smaller parts. Okay, here is the result. Then I'll trim out the excess. After trimming out the excess, I'll now measure it. It's giving me 8 inches by 10 inches. Okay, so I will carry the other part and then place it and I will trim it. Okay, so here is the result. Then I'll cover it up with my lining to form my pockets. Okay, after getting this part being done, I'll now work on my gussets. Okay, before working on my gusset, sorry, I will now work on this piping rope. I'll cut it, this cord, I'll just cut it round to make it look unique and professional. Can you see? So after that, I'll now work on my gusset, which is measuring 14 inches by 4.5. This is the front gusset. I'll divide it by 2. The up gusset, I'll divide it by 2. Then this is the down gusset, which is measuring 20.5 inches by 4 inches. Sorry guys, I closed my eyes while recording the voice over. So I will sew it as shown, good side facing good side of the zipper. Then I will turn it over and give it a very neat top stitch, applying my oil. Then after that, I will repeat the same thing to the other side. Can you see? So after getting it, I will insert my pullers. I'm using 2 pullers for this part. So after that, I will now cut out these 2-inch belts, these 2 inches from my 1.5 inch belt. Then I'll attach my square ring, my ring to it. So after that, I'll also carry the belts. I will measure 50 inches. Then I will attach it at the other end. Can you see? It's very easy and beginner friendly. So after this part being done, I will carry my down panel, down gusset. I'll attach it good side facing good side. Then I will stitch it. I didn't add lining to it because it's a double face material and it's thick. So I'll just cover this part with bias tape. After covering it, I will turn it over and give it a very neat top stitch. After top stitching it, I will now find the midpoints. I also find the midpoints for the panels. Okay, so after getting the midpoints for all the panel, I will now start attaching or sewing my back together, panel to the gusset, good side facing good side, then notch side to notch side. I'll just stitch it round. After stitching it round, I'll now cover the rough edges with my bias tape. Repeat the same method to this other panel. So this is the end part of the attaching my bias tape. Sorry guys, today is somehow. So we are now turning our back, and you see how beautiful it looks. So I'll just go ahead and insert my adjuster. Okay, so to my returning subscribers, I love you so very much. You are the backbone of this channel. Without you, I won't be here. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your prayers. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your shares. Thank you for your comments. Thank you so very much for your encouraging words. To my new subscribers, you are also welcome. To my old and new viewers, you are also welcome. Please, if you have watched to this point without subscribing, if you find this tutorial helpful and educative, please do well by giving it a thumbs up, download, share, and turn on the notification bell. In case I upload any new video, you'll be among the first to see it. So see it.